1. Which of the following data types is represented by a blue wire in LabVIEW? A. Boolean. B. String. C. Numeric. D. Dynamic. 2. What structure would you use to execute a section of code multiple times? A. While loop. B. Case structure. C. For loop. D. Sequence structure. 3. Which node allows you to convert from dynamic data to numeric arrays? A. Build array. B. Index array. C. Convert from dynamic data. D. Array to cluster. 4. Which function allows you to concatenate strings? A. Build array. B. Format into string. C. Concatenate strings. D. Flatten to string. 5. What is the default behavior of a LabVIEW while loop without a wait function? A. It executes once and stops. B. It waits for user input automatically. C. It runs continuously and uses 100% CPU. D. It skips execution until triggered. 6. How do you prevent race conditions in a LabVIEW 6? A. Use global variables. B. Use local variables frequently. C. Enforce data flow and use shift registers. D. Increase the loop iteration speed. 7. What structure should you use to execute code based on a true or false condition? A. While loop. B. For loop. C. Case structure. D. Event structure. 8. What does a broken run arrow indicate in LabVIEW? A. The 6 is currently running. B. The 6 contains an error and cannot run. C. The 6 is paused. D. The 6 has no errors. 9. Which LabVIEW function is used to read a file as a string? A. Write to text file. B. Read from binary file. C. Read from text file. D. Open file. 10. What is the purpose of the error cluster in LabVIEW? A. It stores global settings. B. It prevents loops from executing. C. It handles error handling and data flow. D. It stores timing information. 11. Which of the following is not a valid LabVIEW numeric data type? A. Double. B. I16. C. Float 64. D. U24. 12. What is the function of a shift register in a while loop? A. It adds a delay between loop iterations. B. It initializes the loop count. C. It passes values from one iteration to the next. D. It resets the loop on error. 13. Where do you place controls and indicators in a 6? A. Front panel. B. Block diagram. C. Data socket. D. Event structure. 14. What is the correct way to stop a while loop? A. Disconnect the loop from data. B. Use a true constant wired to the stop terminal. C. Use a false constant wired to the stop terminal. D. Use a comparison function only. 15. What happens when you wire two different data types to a function? A. LabVIEW runs normally. B. LabVIEW automatically creates a local variable. C. LabVIEW displays a broken wire. D. LabVIEW skips execution of the function. 16. What is the default value for a numeric control if non-initialized? A. 0. B. Nan. C. Null. D. 1. 17. How can you document your code within a block diagram? A. Use a control. B. Use a property node. C. Use a free label or comment. D. Use an indicator. 18. Which control structure would you use to create a menu of options? A. For loop. B. Sequence structure. C. Event structure. D. Case structure. 19. How can you control execution order in LabVIEW? A. Change control positions. B. Use sequence structures or enforce data flow. C. Use variable names. D. Delay the program using wait functions only. 20. What does auto-indexing do in a for loop? A. Automatically delays loop iterations. B. Converts an array to a cluster. C. Extracts elements of an array on each iteration. D. Compresses array values. 21. What happens when an error is passed into a 6? A. The 6 ignores it and continues. B. The 6 executes normally. C. The 6 skips execution depending on error handling. D. The 6 restarts automatically. 22. How is a cluster different from an array? A. A cluster can only contain strings. B. A cluster contains different data types. C. A cluster must be converted to an array to work. D. A cluster is slower than an array. 23. Which of the following helps in organizing large LabVIEW applications? A. Global variables. B. Local variables. C. Sub-VIs. D. Error clusters. 24. Which LabVIEW feature allows the creation of reusable code? A. Flat sequence structure. B. Property nodes. C. Sub-VIs. D. Event structures. 25. Which terminal controls the number of iterations in a for loop? A. Stop terminal. B. Loop condition. C. Count terminal. D. Index terminal. Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer. The Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer or CLAD test is a globally recognized certification exam offered by National Instruments or NI for individuals seeking to demonstrate a foundational understanding of the LabVIEW graphical programming environment. This entry-level certification is designed for engineers, scientists, and developers who are beginning their LabVIEW careers and want to validate their ability to develop, debug, and maintain simple LabVIEW applications. The exam evaluates a candidate's knowledge of basic LabVIEW programming concepts, such as data flow, loops, arrays, clusters, and file I/O, as well as their familiarity with the LabVIEW environment and common development practices. Passing the CLAD exam confirms readiness to work on LabVIEW projects under supervision and provides a solid foundation for advanced certifications. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the CLA exam. 1. Career advancement. Earning the Certified LabVIEW Associate Developer or CLAD certification can significantly boost job prospects in fields such as automation, data acquisition, and embedded systems. It showcases a solid understanding of LabVIEW programming, helping professionals stand out in a competitive job market. 2. Skill validation. The CLAD certification demonstrates that a developer has foundational knowledge of LabVIEW and can effectively apply its features to build and troubleshoot applications. This validation increases confidence in the developer's abilities and adds credibility in the eyes of employers and clients. 3. Industry recognition. As a globally recognized certification, CLAD provides industry-wide recognition of a developer's proficiency in LabVIEW. It enhances professional reputation and increases opportunities for career growth, including roles that require expertise in automated testing and system design. 4. Foundation for advanced certifications. CLAD serves as a stepping stone to more advanced LabVIEW certifications, such as the Certified LabVIEW Developer or CLD. This progression helps individuals expand their skills and opens doors to higher-level roles in software and systems engineering. 5. Increased earning potential. Holding the CLAD certification can result in higher salaries and better compensation packages. Employers often offer more competitive pay to certified professionals due to their proven expertise, which can translate to greater financial rewards over time.